Okay, next question. What is your most used feature in Tableau? And now my phone's bombed out again. Ask Steve. Yeah, replace data source is always good. I like the demo today because I've seen someone before saying, before you replace a data source, you've got to do all this work to make sure everything is the same name. Like, no, you can do the approach that we saw here is make everything go red, replace references until it works, and then it works, right? Don't need to change anything really.
The one thing that I didn't do today that I always do is that I refresh all the thumbnails or open up all the sheets before I replace, because then it tends to keep most of the formatting. Sometimes it skips, but very often it does. So that's a tip as well.
Yeah, you've got to load all those sheets before you do anything if you're doing that sort of stuff.
Yeah, my other tip that I didn't mention earlier on is when you're doing that is always do it in order as well. Replace the non-calculated fields first, very much so.
Yep.
And replace measures before dimensions, because the reason for that is when you've got a sort order on a dimension which is on a measure that you haven't yet replaced, you lose that sort order, for example. So you don't have to go back and replace those. And
it also, fixing the measures also fix all the calculated fields.
Typically, absolutely.